Richa Kanade from Universal Orbital Systems Private Limited, and we are launching our new Open Arc series called as OA series. It starts from OA 89, OA 125 and OA 325. So OA 89 refers to the tube diameter that can be welded. In case of OA 125, as you can see here, it can weld up to 125 diameter, and the application of these type of weld heads is in heavy duty pipeline industries, where the tube's thickness starts from 3 and it can go up to 10 So this is open arc weld head. So you can clearly see the welding torch here, and it comes along with the wire feeding system, and also AVC, that is automatic voltage control, to cover the ovality of the tube, and oscillation to carry out the weaving pattern in welding process. So along with this, we also have OA 89. So here you can weld up to 89 diameter. And then we have another series called as OA 325, so it can weld up to 325 diameter as well. This is tube to tube sheet 60, that is TTS 60. It is used for welding tube to tube sheet, where the protrusion of tubes from the tube sheet is present, and this comes along with wire feeding system. You can weld tubes from size of thickness 1 up to 5 and the range of this weld head is from 19 to 60 This is our new launch in MTEX 2026. This is now available readily, and it comes with wire feeding system, water cooled torch. It comes along with this system as well, and it comes with Orbitron 6K300. So this is micro TTS, which is micro tube to tube sheet welding, orbital welding head. So here the tungsten electrode rotates around the tube, and the tubes are fitted in the tube sheet, and it is a flush weld joint, and the welding process is fusion TIG welding process. So you do not need any filler wire in this case. It comes along with the column and boom system, so you can locate the center of the tubes, and accordingly it can just weld once it is set.